luxury lovers, and welcome to our channel where we feature a different designer bag each day. I talk about different items, whether it's Louis, Chanel, Gucci, Balenciaga, all the designer names, and we like to showcase a different item. Today we are talking about the Louis Vuitton bum bag, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment at the end of this video and let me know what you think of the Louis Vuitton bum bag. This is the, oh my gosh, the most sought after bag that I get requested in our Instagram messages, on our TikTok videos, everything. Everybody always wants the coveted Louis Vuitton bum bag. This particular one, I will say, we put it on the website and it sold out within minutes, so it's not currently available, but let's talk about it and why you need one. So first of all, when I put it on, I was like, okay, I need one of these for my personal collection. I don't have one yet, so next one is probably gonna be mine, and then I'll try to get more for the website. But it has a vachetta leather strap and it is adjustable, so you can wear it across your waist like it's meant to be worn. But majority of people, when I see them wearing them, are wearing them across their chest like this. Easy access to your items. So when you open it up, you've got the interior is a black cotton material on the inside, and you've got so much space for your phone, a full-size wallet, keys, key rings, key holders, everything that you need can fit inside of here. It's such a great size, and I think that's one of the reasons that it was so popular. But also it's just super cute, very chic. You can be completely hands-free, so if you need it for traveling, if you need it for a country concert, if you need it for just an event where you need to be completely hands-free, this is so good. If you're a mom and you're having a day out, throw a couple diapers in there. Even a small pack of wipes literally would fit inside of here. So it could be perfect for literally everybody. And it has a nice little secret pocket on the back right here, the zipper pocket, where you can have easy access to your phone if you want to put it somewhere where you like to slip it away. I'm like that. I want easy access so that I don't have to dig around for my phone. My keys, I'm kind of the same way with my keys. I like to have my keys easily accessible because, you know, when I'm walking out to my car late at night, wherever I'm at, I don't want to have to be fumbling through my bag trying to find my keys. It also does have a top handle, so if whatever reason you wanted to carry it just by the handle, you can do that too. Again, they did make a ton of different styles. They made the full leather ones, they made ones with black leather, and this is the one with the vachetta leather. And like I said, currently sold, but hopefully we will find more to add to our website very, very soon, which is milkhoneycollection.com, where you can find all of these items and so many more items. I think we have over 100 items on our website right now. Like, subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think of the coveted and very most popular discontinued Louis Vuitton bum bag.